Hey everyone, this is Mack Trucks Customer Center in Allentown, Pennsylvania. It's a pretty historic site for Mack Trucks and the entire brand itself. This was their one of their original sites and their research and development center, engineering, etc. So you can see right here, you go through a tunnel, which is actually like a test ring around it, and I think the site backs right up to the airport there in Allentown. There's like a small municipal airport. But pulling in here to the parking lot, you're gonna go check out the museum. There's a bunch of nice, beautiful Mack anthems, a pinnacle out there, really nice trucks. The song is Born Ready, so that's actually a Mack anthem. Steve Moakler song. Some really nice anthems out here, beautiful trucks, really nice paint jobs, completely redesigned, and really cutting edge technologies. You can see the gold bulldogs. Please feel free to ask what the gold bulldog is, or if you know what it is, certainly drop a comment below. That's always a fun one to explain to people. So beautiful, beautiful trucks. Amazing brand, over 100 years old. And it's actually entering into the Mack Museum now. So this is really cool. I highly recommend this if you're ever in the area. Certainly stop by there. Lots of memorabilia. I mean, really cool trucks. They had a Mack Jr. there. Mack Jr. is a little pickup truck, well, half-ton pickup truck that they had that is cool. But lots of cool stuff. The world's largest bulldog. I believe it's made by, on the wall in the back there is federal sign and signal and sign. But largest bulldog in the world. There. And this is the truck from Transformers. So really cool. It was the Decepticons. They hijacked that one. This is really cool. This is original dyno and testing room. So heavy wall to the left. I mean, glass there protected in case something goes off, or and the dynometer. You can see the barrel back here. This is cool. And I guess they're restoring some trucks right now. So really very interesting to see, and really cool. You can see the drum down here. I'm going to zoom in on the camera. But they also had heat lamps up there, a lot of lights. So really cool. Everyone, I really appreciate you watching. Ask any questions and hope for some more videos.